PeerStreet Real Estate Investment App Review, Usage Experience. Links to PeerStreet and related resources can be found in the description below. PeerStreet is a real estate investment platform that focuses on short-term real estate debt investments. It's designed to provide accredited investors with access to high-quality real estate-backed loans, offering the potential for steady returns without the need to own or manage physical properties. One of PeerStreet's standout features is its focus on real estate debt investments, which provides an alternative to traditional equity-based real estate platforms. By investing in debt, you're essentially acting as the lender, earning interest payments on loans secured by real estate. This model is particularly appealing for investors who prefer lower risk opportunities, as the loans are backed by the underlying property. PeerStreet's curated loan offerings are carefully vetted through their underwriting process. The platform works with a network of private lenders and evaluates each loan based on borrower creditworthiness, property details, and market conditions. This ensures that investors have access to high-quality opportunities with clear risk and return profiles. The user-friendly dashboard makes it easy to browse loan opportunities, view detailed investment metrics, and track your portfolio's performance. You can filter investments based on loan term, yield, and loan-to-value ratio, tailoring your portfolio to match your risk tolerance and financial goals. PeerStreet also offers an auto-invest feature, which allows you to automate your investments based on your preferred criteria. Another advantage is the shorter investment horizon, with most loans having terms ranging from 6 to 24 months. This makes PeerStreet an excellent option for investors looking for liquidity compared to traditional real estate investments that often require multi-year commitments. While PeerStreet offers consistent returns, it's important to note that investments are not FDIC insured, and there's always some risk of borrower default. Diversifying across multiple loans can help mitigate these risks. In conclusion, PeerStreet is a solid choice for accredited investors seeking short-term, real estate-backed debt investments with steady returns and reduced risk. Its curated loan offerings, user-friendly tools, and shorter terms make it a compelling platform for diversifying a real estate portfolio. Check the links in the description to explore PeerStreet and see if it aligns with your financial goals. This review should clarify whether PeerStreet is the right platform for your real estate investment strategy.